Hi there, students. Ashlar. Ashlar. This is a really good word. Okay, this is a noun. I guess you might use it as a verb. Okay, an ashlar is a block of stone that's been cut so that the edges, the sides, are straight and you can use it for construction. Okay, so it's a block of stone that's been cut by a stonemason for construction. So I guess you could say this house that I live in is made of ashlars of granite. Okay, this word is a very Masonic word. Yeah. Before you ask, no, I'm not a Mason. I wouldn't belong to any organisation that would have me, as Groucho might say. Okay, so ashlar, a block of stone that's been hewn, that's been cut by a stonemason to be rectangular, so that if you build the wall, you build the masonry, you only need a very, very small amount of mortar to go between them. And if you're really good, you just don't need any at all. So, for example, the pyramids are made from almost perfectly cut ashlars. Yeah, it's a cut block of stone with straight edges. They also use ashlar, but the phrase ashlar veneer, as in you small flat pieces of stone to cover a wall, so to make it look like it's made of beautiful finely cut stones, but actually they're only about that thick, and when you go, if you actually look in the middle, it's not made of that at all. Okay, you could have an ashlar line. This is maybe a piece of string on a building site, a line that corresponds to the outside surface, where the outside surface of a wall is going to run. Yeah. Okay. Yes. Ashlaring. You could call this ashlar veneer as well. Ashlaring. Okay. So an ashlar, a squared block of building stone made by a stonemason. Yeah, or masonry made by that. So it's just a building block made of stone. Yeah, made of perfect, very, very finely cut stone. The house is made of random ashlars, one on top of the other. Yeah, okay. There was an ashlar plinth to the monument. Yeah. Okay. So this is quite a formal, quite a technical word. I think I would give it a 7.5 in formality, maybe even an 8. Most people are not going to know what this means. Yeah. Yes, so it's a formal word. A block of stone, use that phrase informally. And then as to origin, well, it comes from French escalier, which is a beam that goes across a building to hold it up. And that itself comes from Latin, ice, meaning a plank or axis. Okay, so a plank that goes across. One other meaning I actually missed. The stones that they used to throw at each other in warfare, these you could also call ashlars as well, pieces of the right size. Okay, so an ashlar, a large rectangular, more or less cubic stone made for construction or for making buildings. Okay, so enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. Ashlar.